Hey, what's up guys? It's Jake with Project Trader. Did a little survey on Instagram the other day and asked if y'all would like me to do a review installation on the skid plate I got from All-Pro. First impressions, it's a quality built skid plate. All the welds were perfect. Came boxed very well, dual boxes. Customer service was on par. They've really upped their game since Trail Gear took over. Very easy installation. So here is the new skid plate. It's very nice. I got the aluminum one. Very light. It's 27, 23 pounds, something like that. It has 6 bolts holding it on, and it is definitely way better than the old skid plate. Much thicker, seems much more durable, and very easy install, as I said before. What we have here is we have 2 bolts up top, and then one over there, same side, and they're basically all the same. And then we have, I don't know if you could see this, okay, yeah, those 2 squares, those house 2 bolts, and there's 2 circles back there that house another 2 bolts. The 2 bolts back there are 13 millimeter, I believe, and then these 4 are 17 millimeter. Very easy installation. You'll just take off the skid plate, and then there are 2 bars you'll see under here that I'm guessing act as a support for the stock skid plate since it's so flimsy. But yeah, you just take the skid plate off, take those off, and then you'll reuse these 4 hardware from the original, and then they include 2 other bolts, the 13 millimeter that you put in the back there. Overall, I'm really excited and really happy about this. As you can see, there's pretty much nothing. I do need more armor, but it covers way back there, all the way to the diff.